Hello everyone, I'm Moshi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get different footstep sounds based on your material in Unreal Engine 5.5. Also, you can play our new game Outpost for free on itch, link in description. Alright, so to get started, we're going to need footstep sound effects. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder here and call it audio. And you can sort this however you like, so I'm just going to go ahead and make a few folders. Okay, so now that I have my folder for the footsteps, I'm going to make separate folders for each of the materials. Let's do stone, sand, and grass. Okay, so I have my different grass footsteps. I have 4 of them, and I'm going to go through all of them just to give you an idea of what they sound like. I'm going to select all of them, right click, and create single queue, and I'm going to just delete that, so it's called leaves footstep queue. Automatically it's going to have a random node, and I like to get a modulator and just change the pitch min and max. I'm going to go 0.9 and 1.1, and if we play Q, so do the same with all of your footsteps. Alright, I have all of my footstep cues set up, so I'm going to go to my project settings, and we need to create a new physical material. So go ahead and search up physical. That should be the surface types. I'm going to go with stone, sand, and grass again. And let's make a materials folder for our physical materials. So we just call that phys mats. And under the physics tab, we're going to create physical material. And we're going to make 3 of them, stone, sand, and grass. Stone phys mat. Okay, with all of them made, open them up, and we have to set the surface to match up. So grass to grass, stone to stone, you get it. Now the last step is setting up the animation notifies. So wherever your character's animation blueprint is, or animations, I'm going to make a new blueprint class, search up notify, and call it an footstep. In the top left, we click on the functions override feature and get received notify. From the mesh comp, we're going to get owner and cast to whatever your player character is. Plug that in like that, and we're going to do a line trace by channel. The start is going to be the get actor location. And the end, we can just get actor location and subtract about 30 in the Z. And let's just put for duration to make sure that actually works. Real quick, I'm actually going to make this minus 150. Minus 30 is not nearly enough. On the return value, let's get a branch. And from the out hit, we're going to get surface type, which we can then do a switch node, plug in the true, and we're going to play the sound based on whatever surface we hit. So I'm going to grab a play sound at location node and just have location be the actor location and just plug in the proper sound cues. Now, to be honest, I don't actually know what to do with this, so just plug this in, I suppose. And to make sure we actually call the anim notify, we have to find whichever walking animation our character is using. So I have my running animation here, and whenever a foot is on the ground, we're going to go to the notifies and add our AN footstep. Just copy paste, so I'll go ahead and do that. This actually has some notifies already here that looks like it lines up the footsteps, so I'm going to just use them. Get rid of that first one there, and then do the same thing for the walking. And the final step is to actually make sure it works. So to test that out, I'm going to grab a random mesh here, and we're going to change the physical material. So in the phys material override, let's make this one stone. Let's make this one grass, and we'll make this last one sand. If we test it now, you can see that our line traces are working, and if we walk on each one of these, there's the sand. Oh, it's sand again. And stone. Probably help if I set the right sound cue for the grass. Okay, and now it works. And a final thing you can do is add a notify whenever you land on the ground. Go ahead and make this entire ground the stone. We'll be able to hear it better. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody out. If you have any suggestions for tutorials you'd like to see, let me know in the comments and I will do my absolute best. Goodbye.